Now we begin to connect one fan to the next. Work 1/2 double crochet 2 together over the last puff of one fan and the first puff of the next. Then make 1 double crochet between the next 2 puffs. Continue with 1 front post half double crochet around each puff, and 1 half double crochet in between. In the chain space at the center, work 2 half double crochet separated by chain 1. Once you see the rhythm, the round becomes much easier. Repeat that sequence around the whole round and join at the end. Life is like crochet. Sometimes we join new threads, sometimes we undo what no longer works, and sometimes we learn to trust the different color this stage places in our hands. We do not move forward by forcing everything to remain the same, but by creating with what is now before us. Total, 8 front post double crochets, 16 double crochets, 32 front post half double crochets, 8 chain 1 spaces. In the chain 1 space, work 2 half double crochet. Then continue with 4 half double crochet. Two double crochet. And 5 half double crochet. Repeat that sequence around the whole round and join at the end. When we begin a new stage, sometimes we need to look for a different meaning, because life is now asking something different of us. Total, 16 double crochets, 88 half double crochets. This round is simple. Work one front post half double crochet in every stitch around. Keep the tension even so the texture stays clean and regular. The search for that meaning can begin in the way we join what has been lived with what is still to come. And that is precisely what we need to discover. Total, 104 front post half double crochets. Go back to the back loops of round 12 only. Place the increase at the beginning of each repeat, then continue with half double crochet across the rest of the section. We join what has been lived with what is still to come when we take from our story what still has life and truly sustained us. What we learned, the relationships that are good for us, and the ability to keep going. Repeat that around, keeping the spacing even. Total, 112 half double crochets. Again, work one front post half double crochet in every stitch around. This round strengthens the texture and makes the structure more defined. But it is also necessary to let go, to accept that something important can no longer hold the same place, and to learn to carry it in a different way. Total, 112 front post half double crochets. Return to the back loops of round 14 only. Make the increase at the start of each repeat, then continue with half double crochet across the section. Work steadily so the round opens evenly. We let go by acknowledging the pain, accepting the limit, and making room for what we now need, even if we do not yet fully know what it is. Total, 120 half double crochets. These two rounds are worked in the same calm rhythm we have already been using. In round 17, simply work one front post half double crochet in every stitch around, keeping the movement even and steady. By the end of the round, you will have a total of 120 front post half double crochet stitches. Then, in round 18, return to the back loops of round 16 only. Place the increase where it belongs at the beginning of each repeat, and after that continue with half double crochet across the rest of the section. By the end of this round, you will have a total of 136 half double crochet stitches. Then we stop being simply lost and begin to search for the why of what lies ahead, instead of remaining stuck in the why of what has been left behind. Sometimes, that search can be the beginning of a new meaning for our life. And along that path, we also find our own peace, because the noise of disorientation begins to fade. Now the octagon is complete, ready to find its place in many different creations. Thank you for crocheting with me. And remember, here there is always a chair, a little light and company. We keep going together.